Hello, class. Okay, so this is the impact lab or the cushioning lab. And the objective here is to learn about how cushioning affects both the time that it takes for an impact to occur as well as the force that is applied. And so, what you're going to be doing here is you are going to be here's your force plate. You'll have different numbers of cushions, and you're going to be dropping a mass onto these cushions. So, first of all, this force plate right here, this should be on the ground. It should not be on the table like I have right here. It's very easy for this mass to bounce off and hit your LabQuest, hit your computer. So please make sure that this is on the ground right now. So what you're going to start with is hopefully this LabQuest is already calibrated to everything that we need. If it is not, then there are some slides in the helper slide deck to help you out with that. So I first want to start with having it get as close to 0 newtons as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and zero that out. I click on that red and I click 0. That looks great. I'm going to move this just a little bit out of the way. Let's see if I can get... Okay. Perfect. All right. And I am going to be recording from 30 centimeters high, and I'll be dropping the mass. Now, in order for me to do this recording, I have it so that triggering is enabled. When you press play, okay, you can see that it is just waiting until it senses an impact that is above 10 newtons. And so that's my impact that triggered it to start collecting data. Okay, so again, we're just waiting. I'm going to move it a little bit out of the way. I'm measuring from the top of the cushion, 30 centimeters, and beautiful. There we can see that large spike right there at the beginning. That is the impact. Your job is now going to be to assess this data. So this line right here is the x-axis. You want to try to grab, that is, okay, oh darn. Excellent. So I tried to grab it right at the point where it crosses the x-axis and down toward the beginning. I'm going to go analyze statistics, force, and this will tell me the information about that first little impact, big impact. I can see that the time here, the minimum number is also going to be your time. That's that number right there is 0.014 seconds. That is the length of time that it took for it to complete that, I guess, drop. And then, now, the impact once it touched the cushion, excuse me. And then the average force over this whole time was 143.6. That's the mean that I have right there. So that is the force that was registered for one cushion with this particular mass that I was using. And my next steps will just be to add other cushions and do the same thing.